So such a visionary founder and such visionary MDs we had. That is how this bank has now become one of the top 5 public sector banks. So this, and in any area, like yesterday when we had celebrated the Founders Day birthday, we launched 111 POS machines, and now these POS machines we have will be going to various villages. We have 29 lead districts in the entire country, and these 29 lead districts we have 53 vehicles. So since in this demonetization, when this 500 and 1000 rupee notes are demonetized, we said because some of the villagers will not be having the banking facilities, so we told that these 53 vehicles will have various villages and villages have machines, and this will get cash and these 29 villages. And during this period, when the entire country was having these issues because long queue was there in banks, our bank alone, we have handled 2 crore 10 lakhs transactions in the past 10 days. This is really a good achievement, 2 crore 10 lakhs. And I am getting one report that all my bank friends, they with great sincerity and commitment, they serve the customers. And that is our DNA also. Whatever our customer service commitment is there, that is our DNA. And that is how we have become one of the top 5 public sector banks. But are you really happy to be one of the top 5? You remember we were number 1 in 2005 and 6. And will you not like to regain that position? So that is my dream. In the next 2 years, by March 2018, and I am sure, the type of energy I am seeing here in this, the officers association, and you are representing the entire Can Bank family. So when these representatives have so much of energy, that the Can Bank family members, that this entire Canara Bank has so much of energy. With that energy and enthusiasm, we should be number 1, not less than that. And the business level, and this is now the area of digital banking. And we are like, as Government of India has announced demonetization, we have to go for this cashless society. And this is one area. Whosoever will think ahead of what is happening, whosoever thinks, whatever others are doing, if we are ahead of them in thinking and implementing that, then we will become alert, we will become number 1. So we have to see, what are the business opportunities available, and then accordingly we'll have to plan what we do before our competitors plan and they execute. Before that, we'll have to be in the field, implement, and to ensure that we become number 1. Now, being in city of Andhra Pradesh, I am really thankful to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Mohammad Mahmood Ali Garu sir, that he has graced the occasion. He has accepted to come and grace this occasion and be part of our Golden Jubilee celebration. I am really thankful to you, sir. Telangana state, as you know, Telangana is number 1 state in the ease of doing business. Hyderabad by far has the best infrastructure facilities. Climate-wise, the best place to live in. And more than that, in fact, the progressive policies which Telangana government has brought during the last 2.5 years, it is really, matter of people are just, the other states are trying to emulate that what they have done. Telangana state has done, it has become number 1 within 2 years of ease of doing business. The water project, the Bhagirathi project which they said, that 23,000 crores, total 40,000 crore project is there, out of that 23,000 crores. Sir, we have also participated in that project, and the bank has sanctioned 2,300 crore of loan for that project. And whatever other policies you bring, Canara Bank will be the first one, and in fact we will be very happy because we know Telangana government being so progressive, the entire cabinet is so progressive, forward looking. So they will be certainly getting, all the banks will be standing at their door. But my request to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister will be kindly give preference to Canara Bank. We are there to see after formation of Telangana, there are 31 districts. And I am told the government is looking for appointing lead districts now. So from this stage, I will request and offer that we will like to be at least, if not more, at least 3 districts we will like to take the responsibility for lead districts, and we will take the responsibility to develop those projects. And similarly, now presently we have 160 branches here. I was telling Mr. Reddy in the morning that let us, within 6 months, let us increase the number of branches to 200, because even now in some of the districts we do not have presence. So number one, in all the districts we should have presence, and we should open the branches at 200 within 6 months, and then further may increase. Now today our business in Andhra Pradesh is 40,000 crore, which is almost 5% of our total business. Our total business we are on 8 lakh crores and 40,000 crore in Telangana. So this Telangana 40,000, my desire and ambition is, because with this so progressive government, we will at least by March 18 we should double the business. 80,000 crore must be there, which will represent around 10% of our total business. And I am sure with the progressive government and with their so much ease of doing business is there, that so many further units can come, and the Canara Bank has got the facilities and got the talent to sanction new loans for all these projects. So with that, we will be certainly interested in participating in those loan facilities, whether it is from the government, whether it is from the entrepreneurs, or some other even smaller units like Stand-up India schemes, the Mudra schemes, for the help of the poor strata of the society. So we will really be marching ahead, and I am sure on behalf of my Canara Bank friends in the sitting here, I will like to assure the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, we will be participating in all those government schemes which our Telangana government is bringing. So with that, I will not take much of time. I again thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and all my Canara Bank friends, the officers, Canara Bank Officers Association, who have invited me here to be part of this program. And as far as welfare measures are concerned, Canara Bank will be discussing separately. In fact, Canara Bank, as all of you know, as we are among the top 5, but in welfare measures and the incentives to staff, I don't think we are in the top 5. We are in the maybe number 1 or in the top 1 or 2 position. And I will like to be number 1 even in providing incentive and welfare measures for this thing, because this is my firm belief. If my employees are happy, if they are happy, they will really, without that also they are counted, but they will really contribute much double or triple or 4 times the business, whatever we are in a humble way we are giving to them. So with that, thank you very much. Thanks for coming here and inviting me here also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rakesh sir. Sir, it is an honor to hear from you, and we are very happy that you are strongly believing in us, that we are capable of taking the bank forward. Sir, all my brothers and sisters of Canara Bank have responded to your call and the nation's call and have worked for 30 days continuously. This is proof enough that we under your guidance are going to reclaim our position as the top bank in the country. Thank you very much, sir. We now request our Chief Guest, Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Mahmood Ali sir, to...
Friends, let us welcome our Deputy Chief Minister. He is not only the Chief Guest, he is our honorable customer of Canara Bank too.
First, I congratulate 17th Biennial Conference of Canara Bank Officers Association. Your bank is definitely in future #1 bank in our Telangana state. Our government is every time cooperating with your bank because your sanction Mission Bhagirath 2,300 crore support for our government. Respected Shri Prakash Sharma Sahab, MD Canara Bank, Bangalore, Shri Hardesh Kumar, ED Canara Bank, Bangalore, Shri ASN Reddy, President Canara Bank Officer Association, Shri GV Mani, Madam General Secretary, Canara Bank Officer Association, our Conference in charge, Ram Mohan Garu, our Corporator, Vittal Reddy Garu, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Salam. Definitely, Canara Bank is a very, very old bank. Inauguration in 1906. This time is British period. I congratulate your bank is day by day increase. The branches in our Telangana state, your bank is very good giving services. मैं मेरे तमाम जो डेलीगेट्स यहाँ पर आए हैं, उनको यही मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। कैनारा बैंक जो आज बहुत ऊंचे मुकाम पर पहुंचा है, उसे जो है 1996 में विजनरी श्री ए सुब्बाराव पाई साहब ने बेंगलुरु में शुरू किया था और आज बढ़ते बढ़ते हजारों ब्रांच इसके हो चुके हैं। हमारी स्टेट में इस कैनारा बैंक की बहुत बड़ी रेस्पेक्ट है, क्योंकि कैनारा बैंक की सर्विसेज बहुत अच्छे हैं। हमारी ये नई स्टेट है, ऐसे नई स्टेट कहा जाता है, मगर असल में बहुत पुरानी स्टेट थी। हमें 1956 में आंध्रा के साथ मिलाया गया था, क्योंकि हमारी और उनकी दोनों भाषा तेलुगु भाषा की बुनियाद पर मिलाया गया था, पर हमारे स्टेट के लोग उसके लिए राजी नहीं थे। काफी मूवमेंट चला। 1969 में डॉक्टर चिन्नारेड्डी साहब ने एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट किया था, जो काफी जिसमें 370 हमारे तेलंगाना के नौजवान पुलिस फायरिंग में शहीद हुए थे। मगर हमारे ऑनरेबल सीएम साहब 2001 में तेलंगाना राष्ट्र समिति पार्टी बनाकर पीसफुल तरीके से मूवमेंट किया। 14 साल के मूवमेंट के बाद आज हमारा तेलंगाना हमें मिला है। और इसमें अहम बात यह है कि हमारे सीएम साहब को हम भी महात्मा कहते हैं। जिस तरह महात्मा गांधी ने हमें अमन की तालीम दी, उसी तरह हमारे सीएम साहब ने भी पीसफुल मूवमेंट चलाया। 14 साल में एक भी आदमी पुलिस की लाठी से गोली से नहीं मरा। तो यही चाहते थे कि हमें डेवलप तेलंगाना चाहिए। हमारे आंध्रा के भाई हमारे अपने भाई है, हम कभी वायलेंस नहीं करेंगे, पीस के साथ हमारा डिबेट करते रहेंगे और प्रोटेस्ट करते रहेंगे। आज हमारा तेलंगाना स्टेट बहुत तेजी से तरक्की कर रहा है। हमारे सीएम साहब बहुत इंटेलेक्चुअल सीएम है के चंद्रशेखर राव साहब, उन्होंने 2.5 साल में ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब के सदन में नंबर 1 सीएम आए। उसी तरह हमें उम्मीद है कि कैनारा बैंक भी इंडिया में नंबर 1 बनेगा। हम बहुत आभारी है आपके इस बैंक के, क्योंकि हमारे डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट में सबसे आगे बढ़कर कैनारा बैंक ने हमें 2300 करोड़ रुपए सैंक्शन किए। हम एमडी साहब को, यूनियन के प्रेसिडेंट साहब को, जनरल सेक्रेटरी साहब को, हम तमाम एम्प्लॉइज को दिल की गहराई से शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि आप हमारे स्टेट के डेवलपमेंट में हाथ बढ़ा रहे हैं। ये हमारे लिए खुशी की बात है। हमारे सीएम साहब यही चाहते हैं, जिस तरह आपके एमडी साहब ने कहा कि हम यही चाहते हैं कि कैनारा बैंक हमारे 31 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कायम हो। जितने ज्यादा ब्रांच होंगे, हुकूमत हमारी पूरी आपके साथ है, क्योंकि आप हमारी मदद कर रहे हैं। हम आपको हमेशा यही चाहते हैं कि हम आप हमारे स्टेट में आपको ब्रांचेस ज्यादा से ज्यादा पड़े और हमारे पब्लिक को अच्छी से अच्छी सर्विस दे। कैनारा बैंक का नाम यकीनन अच्छी सर्विस देने वाले बैंकों में सबसे ऊंचे मुकाम पर है। हम उसका वेलकम करते हैं। हम यही चाहते हैं कि इस बैंक का बिजनेस हम देख रहे हैं। मैंने चूंकि रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर हूँ, मेरे पास स्टैम्प और रजिस्ट्रेशन है, तो मेरा स्टैम्प और रजिस्ट्रेशन का टर्नओवर 3200 करोड़ है। लास्ट टाइम हम आपके बैंक के बारे में भी बहुत गौर कर रहे थे कि हमारे अकाउंट आपके बैंक में भी हम खोलने के बारे में सोच रहे थे। तो मेरा खुद भी, मैं एक आपका 20 साल पुराना कस्टमर हूँ, आपके पत्थरपुर के ब्रांच का बैंक के कस्टमर हूँ। और मेरे कजन का अकाउंट भी जो मस्कट डेयरी फार्म के नाम से, वो शायद मैं समझता हूँ चारमीनार बैंक के सबसे बड़े कस्टमर है। हम यही चाहते हैं कि हमारे स्टेट में हम आम आदमी को आप तक पहुंचने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे। और हम हमारे इस गवर्नमेंट का यही मकसद है कि हमारी प्रजा आवाम को बैंक की अच्छे से अच्छे फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड किया आजकल कुछ थोड़ा सा पब्लिक में प्रॉब्लम है और हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब कल ही जो है हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब से मिले। हम समझते हैं 2-3 महीने के अंदर ये सब चीज धार पर हो जाएंगे। यकीनन आज काफी लोगों में बड़ी परेशानी है और हमारी स्टेट की तरफ से हम पूरी उन्हें सहायता देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और हमें उम्मीद है कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से भी हमारी स्टेट को एक रिलीफ मिलेगा ताकि हम हमारी स्टेट को जो हमारा डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस है उसे तेजी से डेवलप कर सकेंगे। हमारे सीएम साहब यही चाहते हैं कि हमारी स्टेट में आज जो माहौल है बहुत गंदा जमना तहजीब का माहौल है। हमारे सीएम साहब यही हमारे पास जो कल्चर है गंदा जमना तहजीब का, वो समझता हूँ हिंदुस्तान में हमारी स्टेट नंबर 1 है, जहाँ पर प्यार और मोहब्बत बांटा जाता है और प्यार और मोहब्बत से लोगों को गले लगाया जाता है। हमारे सीएम साहब यही चाहते हैं कि स्टेट अच्छा से अच्छा डेवलप हो और बिना मजहब और मिलत हमारे पास कोई क्लास वाइज किसी किस्म के फीलिंग नहीं है और ये स्टेट आगे जाकर इंडिया में नंबर 1 स्टेट बनेगा जिस तरह हमारे सीएम साहब नंबर 1 है। आपका केनरा बैंक हमारे स्टेट में जो 31 डिस्ट्रिक्ट बनाए गए हैं हर जगह हम उसका वेलकम करते हैं। हमारे स्टेट में मैं समझता हूँ 768 ईयर्स में एक ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट बना था रंगारेड्डी डिस्ट्रिक्ट और हमारे सीएम साहब ने एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को सुधारने के लिए मजीद 21 डिस्ट्रिक्ट बनाए ताकि हमारे पास अच्छा से अच्छा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हो और डेवलपमेंट हो और लोगों को जिस तरीके से कलेक्टर्स और एसपी से उन्हें फायदा पहुंचना चाहिए, पब्लिक का अप्रोच होना चाहिए, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को सुधारना चाहिए। जिस तरह आपके जो जनरल सेक्रेटरी साहब ने डायनेमिक तकलीफ की है, इसी तरह हमारे सीएम साहब भी बहुत पब्लिक की सेवा के लिए हमेशा आगे रहते हैं। मुझे मैं एक बार दिल की गहराई से मुबारकबाद देता हूँ जो केनरा बैंक के तमाम ऑफिसर्स को। आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट your association is celebrate Golden Jubilee year and validation of Golden Jubilee celebration is being conducted today. I convey my best wishes for the association. I wish Canara Bank and its officers all the best in their future adventures. Thank you everybody.
Thank you very much, sir. That was very empowering speech by you. We are really honored by your presence over here. Despite your busy schedule, you have honored us. Now I take my pride in calling Sri Harish Kumar, sir, ED of our bank.
Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Telangana, Mahmood Ali ji, MD and CEO of Canara Bank, Sri Rakesh Sharma ji, Sri A.S.N. Reddy, President, CBOA, Sri G.V. Manimari, General Secretary, CBOA, Sri G. Narendra Babu, Chairman, Reception Committee of today's function, my dear members of CBOA, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to you. At the outset, let me convey my greetings on completion of 50 years of this association and also convey my best wishes to all of you on the 18th biennial conference of this association. This is in fact one of the biggest meetings that I have addressed. That too of bank officers in my 38 years of experience in banking. Indeed, it's a very colorful function. In fact, literally colorful. My friends from Patna, they have given more color to this function. I should also congratulate the office bearers and all of you for making this association the strongest, with 96% of membership of officers coming in the bank. Indeed, my congratulations to Manimaran and teams. I should also thank and acknowledge the contribution that all of you have made to the progress of this bank in all these 50 years. The bank is, as Mr. Rakesh Sharma said, it is amongst the top 5 in the country today. In fact, in some parameters, we are much above that. During the last 10 days of our functioning, particularly on account of demonetization, all of you have done a tremendous job. You deserve kudos from all and sundry. The contribution and cooperation from all of you have been immense. Participation by all officers and employees of the bank has resulted in a lot of inflow of deposits into the bank, and also, more importantly, alleviate the problems of our customers in particular and public in general. In fact, in the daily video conferences that we have with the top bureaucrats of the Government of India and other participants, Canara Bank stands out in this exercise. To give you a sense of how the bank has been benefited in the last 10 days post demonetization, the deposit inflow has been about 32,000 crores in our bank. Out of this, CASA alone constitutes about 22,000 crores. There are some after effects also, because all our manpower, all our employees have been deployed for this purpose, to tackle the present situation. But then, our core activities, some of our core activities have taken a backseat. Of course, regularly monitoring credit disbursals, etc., have slowed down. As a result, we may be in for certain difficulties in terms of recovery, NPA position, and credit levels during this quarter. Monday onwards, of course, we will be having a video conference with the circle heads on Monday. We will be directing that these 3 activities that I mentioned should be business as usual from Monday onwards. That means those of you or such of those staff who are deployed for general cash handling and customer handling purposes, they will be reverted back to their departments. Talking of HR challenges in our bank, if I may mention a few. Currently, we have about 27,000 officers. Out of these, 19,000 are young officers. Officers with 5 years of experience at work, probationary officers and inexperienced officers. The average age of these officers is 34 in our bank. Whereas SWOs it is 40. And overall average age is also about 40. The females officers in our bank constitute about 38%, which is a somewhat skewed ratio. We are happy about it. But then, when it comes to postings, when it comes to movements, we are facing some challenges. Association is also aware of this problem. We are tackling this problem to some extent. But then, my sincere request to all of you, young ladies, is that this is also important for you in your career progression. You should be prepared for movements. Particularly, we have issues in some states like Kerala, Bihar, Jharkhand, etc. 82% of our manpower is deployed in the field. That is in branches. The remaining 18% are in administrative units, including head office. We have been recruiting officers in big numbers. About 6,000 intent employees, including officers, we had intended last year. As against that, we have got about 4,628 only as of now. Out of these, 2,228 are officers, 2,357 are SWOs. Officers include 434 specialist officers, which in turn includes AEOs and marketing officers. We have intended with the IPPS for the backlog of vacancies to be given, and we expect by March 17 we would be able to further add to these officers' figures. Second problem that we are currently facing is training these young officers. We are tackling these issues, particularly for first-time branch managers who require some focused knowledge on credit, etc. We are tackling this issue. Mentoring is one concept that we have undertaken to mentor these young officers. And the sports policy, as Mr. Manivaran said, we have now introduced, and it is going to be a very good transparent policy for our friends who are excelling in sports. On benefits, Canara Bank has been most benevolent. I would, it's acknowledged the fact by the Central Committee of the Association that Canara Bank has been most benevolent. The best of facilities that are available to the officers community today in the industry is with Canara Bank. And perhaps our MD and CEO has one or two announcements to make today on benefits. So my sincere request to all of you is that let's continue to work for the bank. Let's hold bank's flag high, and our aim is to be number one in the coming years. Thank you.
Thank you, Haridesh sir, for your kind words. I'm sure our candidates will be focusing on the three objectives he has mentioned in his speech from tomorrow. I now request our guest CP Giri sir for his speech. CP Giri sir is the General Manager of HR Wing in our head office.
కలర్ అయితే వస్తుంది కదా అట్లా చేస్తే ఏదో ఒకటి కెమెరా తీసుకువస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు నీకు సరేలే టీవీలో చేంజ్ చేద్దాం టీవీ లైవ్లో ఎట్లా అన్నీ వస్తాయి కదా అప్పుడు పీక్ పెట్టచ్చు కదా అప్పుడప్పుడు ఆడియన్స్ జిమ్మిదో అప్పుడప్పుడు పీక్ పెట్టేసి
తెలంగాణ శ్రీ Mahmood Muhammad Ali ji and Minister of Revenue, Relief and Rehabilitation, ULC, Stamps and Registration. Most respected our MD and CEO Sri Rakesh Sharma sir. Most respected our Executive Director Sri Hardeep Kumar sir.
Third camera na?
General Secretary of the Canara Bank Officer Association Sri G.V. Manivaran ji. Sri S.M. Reddy, President of Canara Bank Officer Association. Sri G. Ravindra Babu, Chairman of the Reception Committee. And my dear members of the Canman family, it is indeed a pleasure and honor to me to be present amongst all of you, to address all of you, to address all my Canman family members, to all the Canarites and the vibrant members of the Canara Bank Officers Association. I am indeed thankful to the organizers for giving me this opportunity. It is a matter of pleasure that the Canara Bank Officers Association has completed 50 years, has celebrated the oldest jubilee of its existence. In fact, Canara Bank Officers Association was recognized formally to the Canara Bank management as the recognized trade union in 11th November 1970. And in fact, on 24th and 25th and 26th November 1970, the Canara Bank Officers Association and Canara Bank management, they had the first joint conference. And it was 3 days continuous joint conference. In fact, it was a very big delegation what I have learned from the records. It is the Canara Bank Officers Association has been very understanding, very cooperative, and they are helping us to maintain the very harmonious and cordial industrial relations in the bank. In fact, it is the participative management. In fact, it is the management from both sides. They are percolating down the objectives. Yes, they are percolating down the focused areas, the trust areas of the bank to the cadre, so that they are able to contribute maximum for the growth of the organization. The Canara Bank has seen many ups and downs in its existence. As our MD sir was telling that yesterday we have celebrated our Founders Day, 111th Founders Day, and in fact the contribution by the Canara Bank Officers Association in the growth of the organization has been tremendous. And among the many events which have happened in the bank, one was that SVRS happened in 2000. After the SVRS, there was moratorium, there were the embargo by the government on the recruitment. And so that till 2009, we could not recruit the manpower, which created a lot of gaps, a lot of manpower gaps, a lot of skill gaps. But thereafter 2009, the bank has bank has taken very proactive steps to undertake the massive recruitment. Since the last 5 years, I can say that we have recruited more than 30,000 officers and clerks in the bank. As on today, almost 55 to 56% of the manpower is having less than 5 years of service. And this 5 years recruitment has a mixture of our lady staff and the gents in a big way. So this aspect, when we undertake this lot of recruitment, the last 5 years, it has created certain challenges also. In the bank, when we undertook the lot of expansion, the business growth was there, the admission was there, a lot of retirement was there, there was huge requirement of manpower. And to mitigate this, the manpower shortage, we undertook this exercise of huge recruitment. Of course, most of the whatever the recruitment has happened, 82% has been deployed in the field only 18% are in administration, and mostly seniors, they are placed in the administration. But at the same time, the few challenges have come when we have recruited this large number of workforce. As you know, these all young officers and clerks, whatever we have recruited, they are all young, enthusiastic and energetic. And it is the duty and responsibility of the management that these energies are channelized in the proper way. The availability of the seniors in the branches who can mentor, who can handhold the workforce has a little reduced because there has been a lot of retirement. So it is one of the challenges that how these young people and they are taken care, how they are coached, how they are tutored, how they are taken care, so that they integrate with the system and so that they can contribute for the growth of the organization from the day one. Of course, the bank has taken various steps the last 1 year after the takeover of MDFC. We have taken 4-tier structure. Apart from that, we have reorganized at actual level also. The training system has been made a separate vertical, which is headed by a general manager, chief learning officer. He is supported by a DGM and other number of executives in the training system. We have strengthened the training system also. We have inducted 25 other training. We are going to induct another 60 retired officers in the training system so that we can take care of the training requirements of the bank. But it is the responsibility for each one of us that when the bank is taking so much step, we should also try that we are having the self-development, self-motivation, that we are able to develop our skills, we are able to develop our knowledge and have the positive attitude. As far as the HR initiatives are concerned, already our MD sir and AD sir, they have told we have various incentives, we have various other staff welfare measures, whether it is a housing loan. In the last year, you must be knowing that we have increased the housing loan facility considerably. 50 lakhs housing loan is available on the relaxed terms and conditions. Business development, if you compare, it is one of the best in the banking sector. Whether the convention scheme also is available, it is also comparably one of the best in the industry. We have provided laptops to all the managers in the branch heads, all the section heads. The newspaper facilities available, mobile facilities available to the branches, and apart from that, the staff welfare, personal accident insurance is also available. Of course, these are the few incentives which I shared with you. This is not that we are going to stop with this. Definitely, we are going to consider many things depending on the profitability of the bank. So, kindly contribute, as our MD sir, he has given his message, kindly try to contribute maximum in the growth of the organization, focus on the trust areas where the bank has given, whether it is the CASA growth, whether it is the NPA management or it is a retail business. At the end, I wish Chairman Officer Association for this biennial conference. I wish that this conference is a grand success and each one of you are contributing in the growth of the CBOA, growth of the bank. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Friends, now I would request our President K. Reddy sir to please give us a vote of thanks.
Comrades, respected dignitaries of the dais, respected Deputy Chief Minister of the State of Telangana, Mr. Muhammad Ali Garu, respected Sri Rakesh Sharma Garu, our beloved Managing Director and CEO, respected Sri Hadish Kumar, Executive Director of Canara Bank, respected Sri G.V. Maniwan, General Secretary, CBOA, other executives, former office bearers, and all delegates from the north and corner of the country. Let me tell you one thing before you propose vote of thanks. Dear delegates, our beloved MD and CEO, Sri Rakesh Sharma ji will be sharing some of his views once the meeting is over. So I would like to thank our Deputy CM, Mahmood Ali Garu, for having spared his valuable time and coming over here as the chief guest. So we are fortunate state that we also happen to be one of our esteemed customers. And he has told that we are thankful to our Deputy CM that he has agreed to give fullest cooperation for the growth of the bank, for the business growth of the bank in the state of Telangana. And we would like to be partner in the development of the most happening state, the ease of business, the Telangana under the able leadership of Sri KCR Chief Minister and Deputy CM Sri Ali. So we would assure that we will be extending all cooperation in the state of Telangana for the all-round development of Telangana. So I take this opportunity to thank him once again. Thank you, friends. Thank you once again. Once we see our chief guest, we will be hearing our MD CEO, Sri Rakesh Agarwal. Thank you, friends. Thank you.
Dear friends, I want every one of you to sit again. Please occupy your seat. Our beloved managing director and CEO, he wants to pour out his heart again to all of you. Please occupy your seat. Please, friends, please sit down. Kindly occupy seat. Friends, the Canara Bank Officers Association, which is known for its discipline and dedicated soldiers, we are conducting this conference in a remote way, and it should be a message to all the people concerned how a trade union it should conduct its function. You all the cadres came from all over the country. We know in the last 6 years how we are carrying out our functioning, friends. The organization which started its membership, as I told you, the 5. When we last conducted the biennial conference in 2013 in Chennai, its total membership was only 13,500. And 86% of the officers were the members of this association. But in the last 2.5 years, because of the dedicated service of all the office bearers throughout the country, this association has reached the level of more than 24,200, a net addition of 10,000 plus members in this association. Even today, when all of you are attending this conference, some of my cadres, they remain in various places where new officers are reporting today. For your information, all the officers reported so far, they enrolled themselves as members of the Canara Bank Officers Association. This is the strength of this organization. It is the quality of the organization. My dear friends, the number wise today, we are the second biggest organization trade union for the supervisors next to State Bank of India Officers Federation. And it is possible for us Because of the dedicated service, all my office bearers, you were rendered to us. Not only that, even the states like West Bengal, states like Kerala, normally the membership used to be less. There also you crossed more than 99% membership today. And totally, the membership which was 86% today, 95.5% of the officers are members of the organization today, my dear friends. Our most respected managing director and CEO, when I went there to invite him, he asked me in front of our deputy CM kind of chief guests whether it is possible to pour out my heart to my cadres. Friends, he is one of the person who I noticed always talking from his heart, always there was situation in his heart. And I told him, sir, our cadres will be very much pleased if you are able to spare your time after seeing all the chief guest also. So our MD has agreed, and now he is going to pour out his heart to the cadres. There cannot be a distance between the MD CEO, number one of our family, and all the cadres of the officers who came from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, my dear friends. Now I request our MD CEO, sir, our officers are waiting for your speech, sir. Please, sir.
Okay, friends. So, because the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister was there, I thought we should not take much of his time. So some of the things, internal things, which I wanted to discuss with you, हमने कहा कि चलो इनके जाने के बाद में जो है बात करते हैं. Basically, first of all, I like to compliment all of you for this marvelous work. इतना अच्छा काम आप लोगों ने किया पिछले 10 दिनों में. मेरे सर्कल हेड्स ने बताया कि जब आप लोग यहाँ आ रहे थे तो भी मेरे ब्रांच सच्ची बात यह है कि मेरे को भी थोड़ा टेंशन लग रहा था कि सभी लोग इधर आ जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे पीछे ब्रांचेस में काम कैसे होगा. बट सर्कल हेड्स ने भी बताया, हमारे मणिवारन साहब ने मुझे एश्योरेंस दिया कि अगर ये लोग आ भी जाएंगे तो आपस में हमारा इतना कोऑपरेशन है, इतना बढ़िया अच्छा काम चल रहा है कि उसके आने के बाद जो बाकी लोग पीछे बचे हैं वो डबल काम करेंगे. तो आप बैंक का I like to ask you, जब जैसे किसी को सक्सेस लेना है, if anybody wants to be number one, ऐसा हमने बोला कि नंबर 1 चाहिए, the bank should be number 1. तो क्या चाहिए? Actually it can be like कोई कहेगा कि नॉलेज अच्छा होना चाहिए, या स्टाफ मोटिवेटेड होना चाहिए, या स्किल अच्छी बढ़िया आपके सब नॉलेजेबल आदमी है, उनका स्किल लेवल बहुत अच्छा है, और मीन्स सबकी इच्छा ये होनी चाहिए कि काम करें. बट सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट जो चीज है, किसी चीज को अगर अचीव करना है, इफ यू वांट टू अचीव, यू वांट टू बिकम नंबर 1, व्हाट इज दैट थिंग व्हिच इज रियली रिक्वायर्ड टू बी नंबर 1? So that is energy, and that is the energy which I have seen here. So energy level जो है, in fact when I was sitting here, I saw इतनी एनर्जी हमारे स्टाफ में है, और इतनी एनर्जी के साथ में नंबर 1 क्या पता नहीं हाँ किस लेवल पे अपन पहुंच सकते हैं. That's नहीं the best of course, so leadership मैडम ने बोला. So leadership, what do we mean by leadership? Like if suppose one leader is there, EDs are there, ये है मैनेजमेंट है, तो कौन लीडर है? We are all leaders basically. What we want is distributed leadership. मैं जितने भी आपके 25,000, 26,000 जो स्टाफ मेंबर्स, ऑफिसर्स हैं, they are all my leaders. So this strong leadership that Madam said, really strong leadership is required. I want 26,000 leaders in Canara Bank. Then really, if 26,000 leaders are there, every then bank nobody can stop you to be number one. So that means what distributed leadership is कि हर आदमी लीडरशिप क्या है? इस मैनेजर इज दैट हु कैन सिंपली जस्ट इंप्लीमेंट द वर्क. आपको जो भी काम देते हैं, कभी तेरी ट्रांजैक्शन करनी है, कंप्लीट करना है, कर दिया. देन लीडर इज हु कैन इन्फ्लुएंस द डिसीजन, हु कैन मोटिवेट अदर्स, हु कैन इन्फ्लुएंस द डिसीजन ऑफ अदर्स. सो लाइक जो नीचे आपके साथ में दूसरे लोग काम कर रहे हैं, उन सबको साथ में लेके चलना, उन सबको इन्फ्लुएंस करना, टू थिंक अहेड, to just visualize the things, what should happen, how we can become number one. So if all of you are my leaders, and I know you are all leaders, so then naturally, as Madam says, strong leadership is there. So I want this strong leadership from all of you. So that is there. The second issue is like this. We were talking about demonetization. So पिछले 10 दिनों में 2 करोड़ जो 10 लाख ट्रांजैक्शन हुई. यू विल बी सरप्राइज टू नो आवर डिपॉजिट्स जो 500 और 1000 के नोट हमने इकट्ठे किए, 30,000 करोड़ का डिपॉजिट आया बैंक में, 30,000 करोड़. बट इसमें अलाउ लाइक जब when I analyze the data, we will like to try to analyze it how it will affect our profitability. So then maybe थोड़ी देर के लिए आपकी चिंता में पड़ जाएंगे, कलेक्ट नहीं करेंगे कि यार ये क्या 30,000 जो आया इसका करना क्या है. नाउ द 30,000 करोड़ which has come, even 80-90% has come in the form of CASA, सेविंग बैंक में आया. एंड आवर CASA like which our always our इंप्रेशन, हम लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं CASA बढ़ाओ, CASA बढ़ाओ, CASA बढ़ाओ. तो ये CASA तो अपने आप बढ़ गया, 30% CASA डिपोजिट हो गया, which is like जो हमने सोचा था कि 2017 में 30% होगा, वो आज ही अचीव कर दिया. बट अब जो ये 30,000 करोड़ का जो डिपॉजिट आ गया, इसमें 4,000 करोड़ के हमारे लोन्स भी कम हुए, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों ने लोन में भी जमा किया पैसा. तो 30,000 करोड़ पे जो उसमें से कुछ निकल भी जाएगा, मान लो अगर निकल भी जाता है, थोड़े दिनों में लोग विड्रॉ करेंगे, तो एवरी डे आई एम पेइंग, मतलब आवर बैंक इज पेइंग 3 करोड़ ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एवरी डे. 3 करोड़ जो है उसमें ब्याज देना पड़ रहा है. और इसमें ये जो 30,000 में से कुछ निकल गया, पेट्रोल वगैरह, तो 24-25,000 करोड़ का जो पैसा आया है, ये सारा का सारा ब्रांचेज में पड़ा था अभी 1 हफ्ते तक, और अभी भी आधे से ज्यादा ब्रांच में पड़ा हुआ है. इट हैज नॉट बीन ट्रांसफर्ड टू करेंसी चेस्ट. अगर करेंसी चेस्ट में नहीं जाता है तो इसमें हम ब्याज तो उस दिन से जिस दिन जमा हुआ ब्याज मीटर चालू हो गया. बट उस पर हम जो है जब तक करेंसी चेस्ट में पैसा नहीं जाता, वी आर नॉट एबल टू डिप्लॉय दिस फंड. इसको कोई हम किसी को लोन नहीं दे सकते, ये खाली ब्रांच में पड़ा हुआ है, अकाउंट में नहीं आया. तो सबसे पहले मेरी अपील ये है कि आपको अदरवाइज 3 करोड़ डेली का, इस महीने में 100 करोड़ का हमारा नुकसान होगा. तो ये जितना भी पैसा आप सब लोग ब्रांचेज में रखा हुआ है, प्लीज ट्रांसफर इट टू करेंसी चेस्ट. एंड करेंसी चेस्ट से जो है वापिस उधर वॉल्ट में, आरबीआई की वॉल्ट में चला जाएगा. एक बार करेंसी चेस्ट में जाएगा, देन ओनली वी विल बी एबल टू डिप्लॉय दिस फंड्स, तभी लोन में दे पाएगा. नंबर 1 पहला तो ये हो गया. अभी जो हमारी सीडी रेशो जो था लोन्स जैसे 67-68 जो भी कम है, एक्चुअली में 70-75% होना चाहिए, वो 75 से कम हो गए 62% आ गए, क्योंकि सारा डिपॉजिट तो पड़ा हुआ है, उस पर हम ब्याज दे रहे हैं, उसको लोन नहीं दे पा रहे हैं. तो जब तक आप लोग इसको लोन बांटेंगे, लोन देंगे नहीं, बांटना मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि किसी को भी उठा के दे दिया, अच्छा असेसमेंट करके प्रपोजल देके. सो नाउ आई वांट दोज लीडर्स, ऑल लीडर्स टू हैव मार्केटिंग स्किल्स, मार्केटिंग की कैपेबिलिटी तैयार करके. और ये जो 30,000 करोड़ का पैसा आया, 4,000 करोड़ हमारा लोन कम हो गया, जब तक इसको आप लोन्स में देंगे नहीं तो इनकम कहाँ से आएगी, तो कहाँ से प्रॉफिट आएगा. तो उल्टा हमारा जो है ये जो पैसा जितना इकट्ठा हुआ है, हालांकि कासा में आया, तो ये मालूम पड़ा कि लॉस ही हो जाएगा इससे. तो इसलिए सबसे पहले जो पैसा क्योंकि जब तक आप लोन नहीं देते हैं, गवर्नमेंट 6.5% को ब्याज आएगा वहाँ पे, 6.5-7%. तो वो पहले वो करना, देन आफ्टर दैट प्लीज स्टार्ट गिविंग दिस लोन्स जो है हमारा क्रेडिट ग्रोथ दैट मस्ट हैपन। एंड उसके लिए हमने रिटेल लोन्स में वी हैव रियली डन गुड थिंग्स। नाउ अभी इंसेंटिव स्कीम चालू की है, कल ही मैं अप्रूव करके आया हूँ कि जो भी व्यक्ति, जैसे पहले हम हाउसिंग लोन काउंसलर्स रहते थे इंसेंटिव देते थे, हमने कहा कि जब हम हाउसिंग लोन काउंसलर को इंसेंटिव दे सकते हैं तो व्हाई कांट वी गिव टू आवर स्टाफ मेंबर्स। तो दो स्टाफ मेंबर जो है जो हाउसिंग लोन के लाएगा उसका उनने रेट अभी इमीडिएटली आई थिंक कल परसों में आपके पास इंस्ट्रक्शंस आ जाएंगे। सो वी विल गिव इंसेंटिव टू स्टाफ हु विल ब्रिंग द लोन एंड अल्टीमेटली इट विल बी सैंक्शन्ड। सो दैट इंसेंटिव विल बी देयर एंड बैंक का जो है पैसा भी बढ़ेगा। इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग इट टू हाउसिंग लोन काउंसलर वी विल गिव इट टू आवर ओन स्टाफ। सो दैट स्कीम वी आर ब्रिंगिंग रियली ब्रिंग। तो पहला काम तो ये है। देन दूसरा, पिछले 10-15 दिनों में एवरीबॉडी वाज बिजी डिमोनेटाइजेशन, पैसा बांट रहे हैं, नोट एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं, इधर जा रहे हैं, इधर से उधर जा रहे हैं, बढ़िया हो गया। बट अभी क्या हो रहा कि धीरे धीरे रश कम हो रहा है। तो आप लोगों को वो जो लोग क्रेडिट में काम कर रहे हैं वो क्रेडिट में वापस अपने अपने जगह चले जाएंगे। जो जहाँ पे डिपॉजिट में इसका एक्सचेंज होता है वो जो काम है लिमिटेड करते रहिएगा। बट मेन जो है अपना क्रेडिट ग्रोथ, एनपीए रिकवरी, अभी कल ही हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, अभी आपको मालूम होगा हमारा एनपीए 9.81% है। तो अगर ये जो 10-12 पीरियड में, क्योंकि सबसे पहला काम ये बहुत सारा पैसा आ गया है, तो बहुत सारे एनपीए हो गए, तो ये दो एनपीए अकाउंट यू शुड स्टार्ट कॉन्टैक्टिंग देम। So this is very good opportunity when you can recover the money from these account holders and put it in your NPA account. Many accounts will be upgraded. So all these NPA accounts जिनमें पैसा आया है, now each branch manager. So that is why I want 26,000 leaders. So all 26,000 leaders representatives are here. So all of you have to decide that number one, this money loan growth should happen. Then whatever defaulters are there, उनका पैसा अकाउंट में आया होगा, उनसे पैसा लेके बोले ठीक है लोन अकाउंट। जो नेक्स्ट 25 एक महीना है 30 दिसंबर तक, जो अपने 500,000 के नोट घर में रखे होंगे उनको बोला यार घर में सब बेकार हो जाएगा, व्हाई डोंट यू डिपॉजिट इन योर लोन अकाउंट। एनपीए अकाउंट अपग्रेड हो जाएगा। जो पुराने एनपीए हो चुके हैं, ओटीएस की स्कीम है। सो वी हैव नाउ अप्रूव्ड ओटीएस स्कीम फॉर एजुकेशन लोन। तो उसमें ओटीएस स्कीम में एजुकेशन लोन के ओटीएस करवाइए, आप इसमें पैसा डलवा दीजिए। यू कैन रियली हेल्प फॉर रिकवरी। सो दैट जो अकाउंट एसएमए में चल रहा है उसमें आप उसमें पैसा डलवाएंगे तो दैट अकाउंट विल बी रेगुलराइज्ड। सो योर एनपीए प्रॉब्लम कैन बी रिजॉल्व्ड थ्रू दिस सिस्टम। सो प्लीज एज लीडर्स जस्ट विजुअलाइज कि व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस, व्हाट कैन बी द पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट। तो इसको पैसा जो है आप लाके अपने एनपीए अकाउंट को इस तरह से रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं। थोड़े दिनों में हम एक और जो एनपीए इंसेंटिव स्कीम भी रिकवरी का जो आता है वो भी स्कीम लाएंगे। देन सिमिलरली टेक्निकल रिटर्न ऑफ अकाउंट्स जो है, इसमें जितना भी आप पैसा रिकवर करेंगे पूरा का पूरा इट कम्स बैक टू प्रॉफिट। सो इवन टेक्निकल रिटर्न ऑफ अकाउंट एक अकाउंट लेके उनके बोरोवर्स को कॉन्टैक्ट करके रिकवर करते हैं। सो दैट मींस फाइनली you have to contact each borrower and recover, try to recover this money. So those officers who are working in credit, who are working in recovery, who are working for monitoring, please, now because the rush almost it has stabilized, so kindly start doing that work from tomorrow onwards, so that we can do our natural growth in business. Now coming to another like visualization, जो visual आपका हो सकता है, that is around IT facilities. Now ये जो like money निकल गई सब हो गया, इसमें सबसे ज्यादा फायदा कहाँ होगा? ये जो जितने पेमेंट बैक्स आ रहे हैं, पेटीएम करो ऐसा बोलते लोग रहते हैं। तो अपने अभी there are so many other apps are there जहाँ पे we can use those facilities. तो अभी कैशलेस इकोनॉमी हो जाएगी। कैशलेस इकोनॉमी मीन्स पॉस मशीन हमारे यहाँ, आप यू विल बी सरप्राइज, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में 2 लाख पॉस मशीन है और हमारे यहाँ ओनली 5,000। इनफैक्ट जब मैं आया था पहले बार से मैं बोल रहा था यार पॉस मशीन लगाओ, पॉस मशीन लगाओ। अगर ये पॉस मशीन लगा दिए होते तो आज हमारा काम बहुत आसान हो गया था, पर फिर भी कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है। ऑलरेडी वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड 4,000 पॉस मशीन। और मेरा आइडिया है कि मार्च तक अपन 25,000 जो है POS मशीन लगा देंगे। तो आप एज लीडर्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू गो एंड कॉन्टैक्ट ऑल द वेंडर्स, ट्रेडर्स जितने भी हैं, उन वेंडर से बात करिए कि हम कैनरा बैंक की POS मशीन आपके पास में लगाएंगे। अर्लियर सर पावर चार्जिंग पर हाई, अभी हमने कल बोर्ड से अप्रूव करा के सर्कल हेड को पावर्स दे दी है कि यू कैन गो लोअर रेट्स। तो आप जो है ये 25,000 मशीन अगर लग जाएगी तो पूरा कैशलेस, आपके यहाँ भीड़ भी कम हो जाएगी and rush will be less, so you can devote your work for credit facility. Now yesterday we have released 3 apps. IT में 3 apps release किया है. One is, in fact you should know and so that you can tell the customers. Number 1, जैसे आपके पास में क्रेडिट कार्ड रहता है, आजकल बहुत फ्रॉड हो जाते हैं, कोई भी उठा के कहीं से भी मान लो क्रेडिट कार्ड कॉपी किया और फ्रॉड कर लिया. So now that credit card, that app if you download on your mobile phone, तो आप उसको M-Sub करके है M-Sub. So that means जब जैसे आप यूज कर रहे हैं तो उसको ऑन कर दीजिए, जैसे यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, काम नहीं कर रहा है तो आप ऑफ कर दीजिए. Nobody can force that account. So this another app which we have launched yesterday, you should popularize among the staff members and the customers. M-Sub करके एक जियो सर्वे करके एक ऐप रिलीज किया है. दैट मीन्स कि कोई भी ब्रांच जिसके स्टाफ मीन्स कस्टमर के मोबाइल में वो ऐप होगा, वो जहाँ मर्जी बैठा वो बता देगा कि कैनरा बैंक की ब्रांच अभी आपकी 1 किलोमीटर है या पास में है या ATM कहाँ पे है. सो दैट यू हैव टू डाउनलोड. सिमिलरली एक नई स्कीम लॉन्च की अपने वाईफाई. क्रेडिट कार्ड जो है देयर इज नो नीड टू स्वाइप द क्रेडिट कार्ड. उसको जस्ट आप ऐसा 3 सेंटीमीटर की दूर से अगर हिला देंगे तो वो उसमें रजिस्टर हो जाता है, उसमें ना पिन मांगता है और ना कुछ करता है. इट इज लाइक वाईफाई स्कीम. सो दैट इज वेरी गुड स्कीम. एंड कैनरा बैंक इज नंबर 1 आफ्टर ऑफ कोर्स स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने पहले लॉन्च किया था अभी रिसेंटली, एंड वी आर नंबर 1 टू लॉन्च दैट स्कीम. सो दैट मीन्स इतनी सारी एप्स हैं हमारे पास में. बट यू शुड ऑल नो कितना सारा अभी जो है कैशलेस इकोनॉमी और ये सब जा रहे हैं, तो यू शुड नो हाउ दीज एप्स कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड. सो दिस ऑल दिस फैसिलिटीज यू हैव टू. तो इस टाइप का जो है करने से जो आप बोल रहे थे वी हैव टू बी नंबर 1. सो जस्ट बाय सेइंग वी कैन नॉट बी नंबर 1 कि आज हम 1 नंबर हो गए, तो ऐसे कहने से तो नहीं होगा. दैट एनर्जी विच यू आर हैविंग हियर, विच यू आर शोइंग दिस एनर्जी, that has to be utilized for serving the institution. But now, why should we work for this institution? आप ये सब जानते हैं, हमारा फाउंडर ने बैंक बनाया, उसके बाद में दिस इज द टाइप ऑफ कमिटमेंट विच आई सी इन कैनरा बैंक. आई हैव नॉट सीन. दिस इज माय 4th बैंक. आई हैव वर्कड इन पंजाब नेशनल बैंक, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में काम किया, लक्ष्मी वेस्ट बैंक में काम किया. द टाइप ऑफ कमिटमेंट आई सी, द टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी आई सी, I have never seen in any other bank. So, because एक attachment है family का, and maybe sometimes I try to analyze why this attachment is there. Maybe like because we are so committed and we give so much of respect to our founder, so that we always try to follow those principles. So really, that is keeping us, binding force as well, the binding force. So with that attachment, with that family feeling, with that this feeling for others, concern for others, that can really encourage us to much better things. But that is why so the institution Canara Bank has given us everything. Now you see, आपको सबको मालूम है कि जैसे सैलरी एंड जो DA जो रहता है ये तो सबका बराबर है. IBM में सैलरी मिलती है. So basic pay is same whether it is Indian Overseas Bank, whether it is State Bank of India. Some follow to increment they pay extra, but otherwise Indian Overseas Bank, Bank of India or Indian Bank or Canara Bank, PNB, all banks basic pay DA is the same. So there we cannot make any difference. Where we can make the difference is the allowances, the facilities which we provide to our staff members. And I was discussing with your General Secretary Mani Maharaj ji. मैंने ये बताइए आप कि where does Canara Bank stand? You will be surprised to know like till 2014 I was in State Bank 2014 में, वहाँ पे as CGM I retired, took voluntary retirement. तो मेरा जो होम लोन वहाँ पे लिया था, the maximum limit was 37.5 lakhs, 37.5. And here in Canara Bank we are giving up to 50 lakhs, 20-50. And the other allowances, होम ये जो आपका मकान का जो किराया मिलता है, तो वहाँ पे जो भी दूसरे बैंकों में जो है उससे much better. If not we are number one. The other facilities, papers, इसका जो भी है, तो Canara Bank has always been number one. So this is where it makes the difference. So that means Canara Bank management has always been proactive in taking care of its staff welfare. So management, and one more thing I like to clarify. जैसे यूनियन होता है, उसमें तो यूनियन वर्ड स्टाफ अवार्ड here as branch manager, state to branch manager, when you are talking to your circle head or regional head, then you become the employee, and हम तो employee है, आप management है. But when you are posted as branch manager, you become the management. So actually you are all management members only. सब management ही तो है. So that means management itself, we are taking care of each other. Here I become management, in branch you become management, in regional head if scale 3 branch manager is there, he is the manager, part of management. So that scale 3 branch manager is taking care of his clerical staff, he is taking care of his HKP employee, he is taking care of his junior officers. So we are all part of management only. So this entire management, as branch manager, as GM, as HR, as ED, as MD, we are all taking care of each other. So that is like all these welfare facilities. Canara Bank has been very proactive and almost at the top of it, and giving these facilities, and which should also be one of the factors that should encourage us. And that is how this energy is there. So there are two things. One is salary part. One is this मोटिवेशन पार्ट. यस्टरडे 3 दिन पहले आपने पढ़ा भी होगा टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में, वो हमको कॉल किया, वो ये क्या नाम है इसका, रिपोर्टर. वो बोलता है कि आपके एम्प्लॉइज जो है कैनरा बैंक एम्प्लॉइज एंड दिस अदर बैंक ऑफ कोर्स आल्सो, बट कैनरा बैंक नंबर 1. व्हाई दे आर डूइंग सो मच वर्क? इतना काम क्यों कर रहे हैं आप? क्या उनको आप ज़्यादा पैसा देते हो? क्या आप ज़्यादा जो है कुछ कंपनसेशन दे रहे हो? इतना सब बढ़ चढ़ के रात को सुबह 8 बजे से लेकर रात को 8 बजे 9 बजे 10 बजे तक काम कर रहे हैं. संडे को आ रहे हैं, लोगों को चाय पिला रहे हैं, पानी पिला रहे हैं. व्हाई दे आर वर्किंग? हाउ यू सेटिंग दैट? सो आई सेड देयर आर टू थिंग्स. वन इज दिस सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन एंड द desire to work for the country, work for the nation, work for the bank. So that is more important. So they are not working that why bank is paying them compensation or not because of that. वो अपने मन से उनकी इच्छा किया, एक दूसरे से कंपटीशन है, मैं सबसे अच्छा काम करूँ, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा काम करूँ, मैं इससे अच्छा काम करूँ. That is how they are working. So they are working like we have never told you कि आप जाके उनको चाय पिलाइए या नहीं पिलाइए. Of course. This, I am really proud of this CanPal concept, which is our friend and this, CanPal जो है, मणिवारन साहब जरूर बोलते रहते हैं, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट सारा जो भी आप कर रहे हैं, वो अपनी आपकी इच्छा होती है कि नहीं यार हमको ये लोगों को कस्टमर्स को पानी भी पिलाना है, कस्टमर्स को चाय भी पिलानी है, तो उसकी सर्विस भी करनी है. दिस इज ऑल आउट ऑफ सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन they have been doing. It is not because of money, but as a gesture of goodwill. ठीक है, सब इतना कर रहे हैं, तो जो थोड़ा बहुत हम compensation out of pocket expenses that we give, that is very secondary. Main thing is attachment towards the institution, attachment for the country, attachment for each other. That is how you are working. So you are working for अपने ही. That is why Canara Bank becomes number 1. Even if business may not be number 1, because of your energy level, because of your commitment level, because of your desire to work for the bank, that is how makes you number 1. So this CanPal जो मैं बोला था, CanPal, again I will tell you, I have again worked in 4 banks. जब मैं पुराने बैंक में था अपने पहले में, तो I used to see the papers. वो CanPal एक एसोसिएशन है, they are going on the streets and asking for deposits. मतलब कितना कासा लेके आओ, ये वो लेके आओ, and Sunday को जा रहे हैं. I used to wonder क्या है यार ये कैंपाल क्या है, what is this कैंपाल, जो सभी मेंबर जो है एसोसिएशन के मेंबर्स, and you know they are going under that banner, even the staff members and working for it. It is unique thing in any industry, banking industry. And my compliment to the leader that he has sponsored. Canara Bank employees, Canarites are there, we are all Canarites, but within that Canarites banner there is another banner is there, Canpal, and I am really happy that all Canpals, they are doing it in a very positive way. So that positive energy is seen. So this is really wonderful. My salute to you, my compliments to all of you. So I will really wish you all the best that this Canpal association, this thing, but ultimately working all, whether he is a Canpal member or Canara Bank Officers Association member, ultimately we are all Canarites. That is of course the bigger banner. Within that banner we are all having this banner and they are working for positive way. That itself is very good. So now yesterday when we were discussing, of course we have been holding joint conferences and all these things. काफी मीटिंग वगैरह होती रहती हैं. इसमें all these meetings are handled in a very positive way. And another good thing, Mr. Mani Maran, your General Secretary, is representing on the board also. And in board also, whenever he is attending, this is all very positive attitude he comes, and he will wherever he has to fight for the employees, then he will be number one. Then he will become very aggressive. So those issues, of course, we are also pro-employees, not that, but he is always, very like, that's why he made that sports policy. Canara Bank again is one of the first banks which has made also. एक तो amendment बाकी है, वेंकटेश प्रसाद ने बोला कि यार एक amendment कुछ कर लीजिए. But it has come out well. So those amendments also will do. So this conference में इनका बहुत सारा डिमांड था. हमने बोला देखो यार अभी प्रॉफिट जो है बैंक का पिछले साल लॉस हुआ, बट ऑफ कोर्स कैनरा बैंक एम्प्लॉइज हैव कम अप वेल एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो विद दैट फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में प्रॉफिट आ गया, सेकंड क्वार्टर में प्रॉफिट आ गया. नाउ दिस थर्ड क्वार्टर अगेन इज वेरी क्रूशियल. क्यों? क्योंकि एक तो ये जो डिपॉजिट आया इसका इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है लेकिन इनकम आनी शुरू नहीं हुई. देन एनपीए, अनलेस एंड अनटिल रिड्यूस द एनपीए, हमारा प्रोविजन नहीं कम होगा. तो ये थर्ड क्वार्टर में ये सब चीजें अगर हम जो डिस्कस किए हैं या फॉलो करते हैं, आई एम श्योर थर्ड क्वार्टर आल्सो विल बी वेरी गुड क्वार्टर, फोर्थ क्वार्टर आल्सो विल बी वेरी गुड क्वार्टर. सो बट हमारा जो है ये जैसे एनपीए में है, जैसे मैं बोल रहा टेक्निकल रिकवरी में, और जो दूसरे एनपीए है, आप ये देखोगे हमारे 32,000 करोड़ का एनपीए है. 32,000 करोड़ के एनपीए में हमको जो 3,000 करोड़ का इंटरेस्ट आना चाहिए वो नहीं आ रहा. 3,000 करोड़ का, अगर वो 3,000 करोड़ 32,000 के बजाय इवन अगर हमारे 15,000 करोड़ एनपीए बच जाए तो 15,000 करोड़ में 1,500 करोड़ का सीधा प्रॉफिट तो वैसे ही बढ़ जाएगा. और उसमें 15,000 करोड़ में 50% हमने प्रोविजन कर रखा है. 7,500 करोड़ का वो प्रोविजन राइट बैक होगा. तो 7,000 करोड़ और 1,500, 9,000 करोड़, और 9,000 करोड़ में से टैक्स वैक्स निकाल दो तो 5,000 करोड़ तो आपका नंबर वन प्रॉफिट, यू आर नंबर वन. सो देन ऑल दीज बेनिफिट्स you can just imagine how much benefits can accrue to the staff members. Only we have to reduce the NPAs, get the income, write back the provision, profit we are number one, and that profit of course partly goes to the staff also. But finally, because still we are making profit, not that we are in loss, and that is why वो welfare measures वगैरह है. तो हमने कहा कि चलो अपना अभी दो चीजें आपका जो है हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. एक तो ब्रीफ केस का आपका बहुत सारा जो है पेंडिंग पड़ा हुआ होगा. आई थिंक 2011 के बाद में या 2011 के बाद ब्रीफ केस नहीं मिला. तो अर्लियर आई वाज टोल्ड दैट ब्रीफ केस वाज यूज्ड टू बी सप्लाइड फ्रॉम द बैंक. उसमें कुछ मतलब नहीं है क्योंकि हर आदमी अपने अपने पसंद का खरीदना चाहेगा. तो हम वी थॉट दैट विद ऑल दिस स्केल वन एम्प्लॉइज, अभी क्योंकि अभी थोड़ा प्रॉफिट कम है, प्रॉफिट बढ़ जाएगा फिर इसके लिमिट और बढ़ा देंगे. 1,500 रुपए तक का और स्केल वन एम्प्लॉइज दे कैन परचेज ब्रीफ केस एंड जो है 2000 तक का। आई कैन अश्योर यू दैट हमारा प्रॉफिट अगले साल इंक्रीज होगा तो ये लिमिट भी बढ़ा देंगे, बट एज ऑफ नाउ वी थॉट दैट 1500 में 2000 में रीजनेबल ब्रीफकेस आ जाता है, यू कैन परचेज योरसेल्फ एंड टेक रिइंबर्समेंट फ्रॉम द बैंक इंस्टेड ऑफ द बैंक सप्लाइंग इट। सिमिलरली दिस मोबाइल फोन, अभी क्या है, कुछ स्पेसिफाइड एम्प्लॉइज को मोबाइल फोन का रिइंबर्समेंट मिलता है। सो HR, GM HR, वी थॉट दैट यू नो द मोबाइल फोन का reimbursement for the time being, scale 2 and 3, all employees, irrespective wherever they are posted. अभी next year अगर जब profit आएगा, I can assure you, we will do it for scale 1 also, but after maybe reviewing the profit also. But as of now, scale 2 and 3, irrespective of their posting, so wherever personally there, and the other things also we will review one by one. So these two things immediately we thought that at least we can announce. The other things also, ultimately when profit is coming, it's all ours only. हमारा सब परमिट है. So that accordingly we will do. And with that, I will not take much of your time. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening to me. Any questions?
Friends, let us express our sincere gratitude to our managing director. Friends, he proved that he is a pro-employees, pro-officers. These two things, what we got as a facility, we have proposed as a resolution which is yet to be passed by you. Even before passing the resolution, my dear friends. Today, all the scale 2 and the scale 3 managers, who number is beyond 5,000 rupees, they are going to get, irrespective of the specialist or something, 500 rupees mobile reimbursement for all the scale 2 and the scale 3 managers. And we were requesting them, instead of giving this briefcase, he give us cash. That also is part of the resolution. Our MD has announced that before passing the resolution itself. My dear friends, with the 24,500 officers, we have got a huge bargaining power. We have got a negotiating strength. Sir, by improving the paying capacity of the bank, by increasing the profitability, we will come back to you again. This mobile facility will be introduced to all the scale officers also in the days to come. All the best to you. Thank you very much for sir.
Friends, CVOA Hyderabad unit in association with Red Cross has organized a blood donation camp. The blood donation camp is going on in the first floor. It will be Red Cross representatives will be there from 11:30 to 4. So I request all of you to take part in this holy cause. Friends, we will now break for lunch and we will come back in half an hour to start our CC meeting. Sorry, we'll come back in half an hour to start our delegates meeting.